Okay, guys, I am back. So I've sewed all of the bundles on there and I attached the closure. And this is what I mean. Like when I get to the sides, even though this is a 4-inch closure, if you want to be able to pull your hair back, you know what I mean? If you do it with just the dome cap on these sides, you're not able to do that. So you see now I just have this. I'm going to ventilate 2 inches of hair, fine hair going all the way around. And I'll show you guys the inside. So that's how I like doing mines. And then I was going to use that cap, but that cap I'd have had to ventilate a lot more. So I want to save that cap for another day. Maybe I'll do something else with it. But yeah, that's how I finish. Then I can't take it off. But y'all know how the 4-inch closure look right here in the top. So I got to ventilate. And when I ventilate, it will be complete. I put a little bit of a concealer down in there, but yeah, when I'm done it will be complete. And if you guys are interested in this mannequin head, I got this off of Amazon. So I purchased that off of Amazon. So now the last step I got to do is ventilate. So when I'm sitting to myself and have a little free time, I do though that's not going to be a big project to do. So yeah, and this is I got this hair from the beauty supply store. So I thought it was cute with the closure. So just something quick. But see, I added a little bit of concealer to the closure. Is nice, you know. $40, you know, the hair ain't gonna last long. But hey, when you ready to just do something and challenge yourself to do something, and for the people that's ventilating, y'all just modify that dome cap and add your own lace. So getting lace, you can find lace now everywhere in your local beauty supply store. Amazon sell it. It's everywhere. So when you want to find a wig lace, just put it in. You'll find it. You only need, just get you a yard and you could do you a couple wigs. And even if you get the good hair, and when you say, where do you get the hair to match to ventilate, save some from your bundles and cut it off because you're not going to need much. And then you ventilate. So thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.